Okay, you guys, I just wanted to share something with you guys that I know I probably should not, but to those of you wondering, no, I wasn't only addicted to age, I was addicted to anything, every and anything, and I did also, like, really, I did do speed bump, okay, if you want to know. I tried it for like 3-4 times and I didn't like it, and then I just went on by, sniffing it. So, yeah, the meth. But today, I am currently recovering and I am 3 months and 4 days. Yeah, next year, January the 4th, I'll be 4 months clean already. Well, not clean, because currently I am using methadone to scale off so that I don't have withdrawal symptoms, but in my mind it's clean, because it's not as if I'm sitting here plugged, So yeah, in my mind I'm clean. And also I'm not using the methadone to take away the withdrawal symptoms completely. I'm using it to numb a bit of the hecticness of the withdrawals, so I don't numb my full withdrawals, I only make them bearable. And this is why I say this recovery is much different than my previous recoveries, because this recovery I drank 7 ml in the morning. It's one lid of this, one in the morning and one at night. Where in my previous recoveries, I would have drinking 30 ml in the morning and 30 at night. And then the doctor also scaled me up again, and that's when I was on 120 ml per day of methadone. And then plus that, I was on benzodiazepine Purata. Purata is a benzodiazepine for addictional people with alcohol problems. But long story short is now I'm only on methadone and prescription pain tablets. No prescription pain tablets.